Alright, so this table shows the height of a dirt bike X seconds after jumping off a ramp. So 0 seconds after, it is 8 feet high, which tells me that the top of the ramp is 8 feet high. Half a second after, 20 feet high. 1 second after, 24 feet high. A second and a half after, 20 feet high. 2 seconds after, back down to 8 feet high. Alright, what type of function can you use to model this data and then estimate the height after 1.75 seconds? Oakley dokley. So step 1 is to understand the problem. So we need to figure out what type of function can follow the pattern that this data is following, and then we need to estimate how high the dirt bike is at a specific time. Alright, so what we can do is we can make a scatter plot of the data. Basically, plot these points on a graph. Then look at how they go and figure out what shape of graph it looks like and try to estimate the height. So let's make us a scatter plot. So 0, 8, 0.5, 20, 1 second and 24 feet. 1.5 seconds and 20 feet, and then 2 seconds and 8 feet. Well, what does this look like? By golly, it looks like a parabola. So it looks like perhaps this data could be modeled with a quadratic function. And what else did we say? Look at about 1.75 seconds. It looks like it might be around 15, and as long as you're picking something between 20 and 8, you're all right, because that's really all we know for sure. Because it's got to be in between 1.5 seconds and 2 seconds, so the height has to be in between 20 feet and 8 feet. So then check, make sure that that's reasonable. And since 1.75 is between 1.5 and 2 seconds, 15 feet is between 8 feet and 20 feet, looks good in the hood.